Hi, I'm Slavik with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I want to present some wood kits that we now have available so you can customize your Profitec Go. We've partnered with Team Brewspire out of Germany, and they're really a fantastic company. All of the products are made from sustainable materials. They're all made in Germany, and the quality really is quite fantastic, and the value is off the charts. We're really happy to be working with Brewspire, first on the Profitec Go, but very soon we're going to have a wide range of wooden accent kits for all kinds of machines, and also a wide range of their accessories. So in front of me, I have 3 machines, and with the 3 different types of woods that we are currently carrying. On the blue machine, I have olive wood. On the stainless steel, it's walnut, and on the red machine, I have oak. The kit consists of 2 pieces. I've got my Porta Filter and my knob. Knob is very easy to replace. You just pull off the old one. The black one, it just comes right off. And then you put this on, and you have this little Allen screw here. You just tighten that, and that's basically all you need to do. Now, the Porta Filter, aside from having the beautiful wood, has this great stainless steel cap, giving it a real heavy feeling in your hand. It's very similar to the ECM style portafilters, which people really love. And it's also a stainless steel portafilter, meaning it's not chrome plated brass, it's actual steel, so it's very high quality, really good value. So we include the bottomless because, of course, not everyone has a bottomless and people do like them. But if you want to use your stock portafilter, the one that came with your machine, this handle just comes right off. So we just unscrew this. And you can take your original handle, which is the narrow double spout, and also just remove that handle. And then instead of the bottomless, you can have the 2 spouts. So you do have the option, whichever one you prefer. It comes with that bottomless portafilter, but if you prefer the spout, just change the handle. You really see the machines are quite transformed when you add these wooden accents. It gives the machine a very classy look. I particularly like the blue and olive combination. It's one of my personal favorites. I think that machine is very handsome. These wooden accents are available now at iDrinkCoffee.com. You can either purchase a new machine with the wooden accents for a fantastic value, or if you already have a Profitec Go, we also have the kits available to purchase separately. If you have any questions about Brewspire or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out to iDrinkCoffee.com. We're always here to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this about espresso machines, coffee grinders, everything to do with coffee. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.